Staying ahead of the competition is critical for business success these days. One of the best ways to do that is by regularly performing competitor analysis. So what exactly is thorough competitor analysis? Competitor analysis involves fully evaluating your competitors' businesses and strategies. I'm talking about their storefront, their product listings, their photos, their videos, everything. You want to look at their pricing, their marketing strategies, their customer feedback, and anything else that you can get your eyeballs on. You'll then compare this information side by side with your own business and products to uncover areas for improvement. Conducting competitor analysis should not be seen as copying your competition. Rather, it provides invaluable insights and inspiration to help move your business forward. You get an honest perspective of gaps in the market, opportunities for differentiation, and what customers really want. So in this video, we'll walk through the key steps for performing an effective competitor analysis from start to finish. So let's jump into it with me first telling you who I am in 45 seconds and how we can help you scale your Amazon business. Okay, so real quick, if you don't know me, my name is Ian Smith and I own an Amazon creative agency called Evolve Media Agency. At EMA, we completely revamp Amazon listings by doing top-tier product photo and video shoots that greatly increase PPC ad performance by simply boosting the product detail page's conversion rate. That's our main focus. All we care about is getting that conversion rate higher and everything else falls into place. We write listing copy, create user-generated content, and create video ads for Amazon PPC and TikTok. We also build out brand story sections, Amazon storefronts, and create off-Amazon marketing funnels. If you want free access to our Amazon listing checklist, go to amzchecklist.com. And to view our pricing, portfolio, and get a free listing audit, then book a free consulting call by going to emaamz.com. So now let's carry on with the video. All right, so to start, you need to find your competitors. Do it in the same way that your customers would. Search on Amazon for products very similar to yours using similar keyword phrases. Then compile a list of the top search results and closest comps. These are your direct competitors on Amazon. And once you've identified your competitors, it's time to outline exactly what they offer. Review their product pages, Amazon storefront, website, and social media presence if they have any. We're doing an off and on Amazon competitor analysis here. You're going to take note of their product features, benefits, pricing, and any unique selling points. This will give you valuable insights into how you can differentiate your product. Now, let's dive into pricing and product pages. Compare your competitors' pricing, videos, photos, copy, and customer reviews. Look for opportunities to enhance your own product page and pricing strategy to stand out from those comps. Off Amazon digital marketing plays a vital role in Amazon's success. Evaluate your competitors' social media platforms, posting frequency, and content types. I'd say TikTok and YouTube are the most powerful platforms right now, so start there. Additionally, review their search engine optimization and paid advertising presence. A really awesome tool that has sponsored a lot of my YouTube videos is called Seller Sprite. They've got a really cool tool that allows you to peek in on their PPC bidding strategy, what keywords they're using, what types of keyword bidding they're actually doing, exact match, phrase match, all that kind of stuff. So check out Seller Sprite if you want to get access to this PPC spy tool. By analyzing their PPC, this will help you identify gaps and opportunities to optimize your own digital marketing efforts. Customer feedback is a goldmine of information. Compile reviews, questions, and complaints to identify common pain points. Another really cool tool that has sponsored a good amount of my YouTube videos is Shulex, S-H-U-L-E-X. It's a really cool AI-powered tool that basically can analyze hundreds of products' reviews and then kind of organize that information for you to just easily search through and create like a little database. If this all seems pretty time intensive, then hire a virtual assistant to help you with it. Look beyond Amazon reviews and explore platforms like Trustpilot, LinkedIn, and other social media to gain a holistic understanding of what customers are saying about your competitors. So now that you've gathered all this information, it's time to perform a SWOT analysis. Assess your competitors' strengths, S, weaknesses, W, opportunities, O, and threats, T. Use these insights to refine your own business strategy and identify areas where you can outperform your competitors. To wrap it up, conducting a thorough Amazon product competitor analysis on a regular basis is crucial for your business's growth and success. It provides you with valuable insights, revenue opportunities, and the ability to stay ahead of market shifts. By understanding your comps, you can optimize your strategies and better meet the needs of your customers. So thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it informative and valuable. If you have any questions or would like to see more content like this, please let us know in the comments below. Again, if you want that free listing audit and free Amazon listing checklist, then head over to emaamz.com. You and I can hop on a Zoom call and we can talk about your business, and I can suggest more ways to help you scale it up. Thanks again, and I'll catch you in the next one.